Okay, so we just reached the summit of what?
Siskiyou Summit.
Of Siskiyou Summit in the Siskiyou Mountains, and now we are on a downgrade heading down out of the mountains. And I'm having to slam on my brakes a little bit.
Maybe take it out of fifth gear.
This is a pretty good downgrade. No, we're doing okay. And so anyway, this is what the Siskiyou Mountains looks like at the very top. We are about did you say about 90 miles from Redding? About from Ashland to Redding, about 90 miles? Okay, so we're maybe 80 miles now from our next destination, Redding, California, where we are going to be staying in a little Hilton type hotel with a spa, breakfast tomorrow, and hopefully a bathtub in the room. We'll see. So anyway, signing out. We going?
Yep.
We're going. Okay, that's Mount Shasta right there, which is a pretty magnificent looking thing. Tell me about Mount Shasta, honey. Is that a volcano?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, we passed a volcano a while ago. We didn't know which one it was. But this volcano, we know which one it is. And we are now about 93 miles from Redding. I thought we were closer, but we're not. And so we go through Shasta, and then we go through Weed, or is it the other way around? We go through Weed, then we go through Mount Shasta, and then it's on to Redding after that. That's all.